Hi, everyone. Ready to explore new words? Let's start our learning adventure. Let's begin. TH is for thank.
Thank. Can you say it with me? Thank.
Thank. TH is for think.
Think. Come on, let's say it together. Think.
Think. TH is for thumb.
Thumb. Repeat after me. Thumb.
Thumb. TH is for thunder.
Thunder. Let's say it together. Thunder.
Thunder. TH is for thirsty.
Thirsty. Let's say it one more time together. Thirsty.
Thirsty. TH is for 13.
13. Can you say it with me? 13.
13. TH is for theater.
Theater. Come on, let's say it together. Theater.
Theater. TH is for thief.
Thief. Let's say it together. Thief.
Thief. TH is for thousand.
Thousand. Repeat after me. Thousand.
Thousand. TH is for throne.
Throne. Let's say it one more time together. Throne.
Throne.
Great job today! You're learning so fast! Word review, let's see what we remember.
Think.
Think.
Thank,
Think.
Think.
think,
Thumb.
Thumb.
thumb,
Thunder.
Thunder.
thunder,
Thirsty.
Thirsty.
13.
13.
13,
Theater.
Theater.
theater,
Thief.
Thief.
thief,
Thousand.
Thousand.
thousand,
Throne.
Throne.
throne. Well done! You did an amazing job! Thanks for learning with me today. See you in the next video.